Hi everyone, today we will be doing some butterflies with coffee filters. It's very fun, it's amazing because we will be mixing some colors, so let's begin. Materials, these are the materials we need. Some washable markers, a pipe cleaner, water in a spray bottle, and 2 coffee filters. Okay, now you're gonna use your both coffee filters one on top of the other, and you will do some designs to your coffee filters. You can get very creative. Use different colors so that the mixing can be fun. You'll spray some water until it gets very wet and you need to let it dry. Once it's dry, you're gonna separate them and you're gonna start folding your coffee filters, just like that. Once you have them, join them. In the center, you're gonna fold it, and with the pipe cleaner, you're gonna join them. Arrange it until you like how it's done. And fix the butterfly's wings. Okay, I hope you had fun doing this. See you real soon. Goodbye.